Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. The truth is so rare that it's delightful to tell it. I want to share with you a lesson on the truth because not many people find that thing that drives their life, and I have experienced it through many different occasions already. And it basically says that you need to always do good. You need to always stay on the positive side of emotional scale, because the Lord, the earth, the universe, it will test you again and again until you will be strong enough to hold and go forward. It will test you through different moments in life that will either push on you and you will express the negativity out, you will be angry, you will be bored, you will be depressed, you will do all those things that will express how well do you live the truth of life. And if you will be on the negative side of emotional scale, that's when the things will not go well, and the moments will not manifest so great. So I urge you that you start climbing up and always start providing the value through constructive, positive emotions and things to the world, because only that way you will be able to succeed. And not many people actually know about this because they are caught into their own environment. They do things that are actually not necessary. They should forgive the other people and not complain, and they would be able to live the better life in the future. Okay, you need to hold for this. Go and do some minimalistic things to making your world nicer, more beautiful and better. I'll see you soon. Bye.